Hello, my Be Active family. I am Dr. Catherine Rabo, the naturopathic doctor here, and I'm going to be hosting a webinar coming up on October 16th at 6 p.m. If you're interested, please click on the link below and join. We're going to be talking about stress and how it impacts your life and how naturopathic medicine can help you deal with all that stress. So if you're feeling emotionally overwhelmed, emotionally exhausted, can't sleep properly, your digestion's off, if you have anxiety, depression, if you feel like you just can't keep up with life anymore, please join. I'd love to have you part of the webinar. And we'll be talking about strategies to help you build resilience and make you feel healthier, happier, and more able to cope with any stress that you may have. If you're interested, click on the link below and register, or just give us a call or talk to any of the practitioners here and they will get you set up, and we'll see you there.